everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today is part 2 of my backyard drop board. So today I'm just going to be making it more rideable for my brothers. Okay, so I made some changes because I just put some nice strong bits of wood there, put a slight curve there so it flows better. And yeah, so I just changed it slightly because of this. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on my next build. It might be a wooden berm or a skinny, I don't know. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that.